Hey creators, welcome back to Learn with CC. Let's talk about something powerful, how Claude AI is changing the game for faceless YouTube channels. Before now, creating content meant hours of scripting, researching, and planning. But with Claude AI, you can generate high-quality scripts, ideas, and structured content in minutes. And here's the crazy part. I actually used Claude AI to clone a successful channel in just a few simple steps, not copying, but recreating the style, structure, and content strategy using AI. All I did was analyze the channel's content style, use Claude AI to generate similar scripts and ideas, and structure my videos for consistency and growth, and boom, I had content ready to go. Some of the biggest advantages of Claude AI include fast and detailed script generation, better storytelling and structured outputs, ability to generate multiple content ideas instantly, perfect for scaling faceless channels. If you're serious about growing on YouTube without showing your face, this is a tool you need to start using. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step so you can start your own channel today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's get into it.
First of all, you need to install Claude AI on your device, whether it's laptop or you are using a phone. You can go to your Play Store or your App Store and type Claude AI, and also this is on the desktop. When you click on it, it will open. Okay, allow it to open. When it opens, it will ask you download for desktop app, or you click on it. Is it for window or is it for okay? It will go ahead to. All you need is just to follow the prompts and make sure you actually look at the logo here. Make sure you actually install the appropriate Claude from your Play Store, App Store, or your desktop device. So once you install it, this is the interface you will come up with. Okay, Claude offers different kind of models. You can have it on Claude Chat or you can have it on Claude Code. Okay, I'll still do a tutorial about how to use the Claude Code, but here we'll be using the Claude Chat. Okay, also, if you want to use the Claude Code, it's not available on mobile version. So this is the chat is the one you can access and you can use it to analyze things. Remember, we're using it to analyze a faceless channel, and you use it to actually clone that exact faceless channel on YouTube and use it to create ads. So this is a faceless channel I want to actually use Claude to clone. This is the Bible Blade. It is a kind of a religious Bible channel on YouTube. You can see they have lots of videos. The channel is actually doing amazingly well, and this is the channel I want to clone. Okay, the first thing you do when you come to the channel you need is you can look out for the popular videos they have created, and this is their popular video. This one is 515k views. Okay, you can tap on that particular channel and just copy the link. Okay, when you copy the link, okay, remember when you come to Claude you need to log in, set up your account. Just follow the prompt and do whatever. It offers free limits, but there is limitation to the free version you use. Also, you can also go ahead and subscribe to it if you feel is doing giving you what you actually want. Okay, so when you come to Claude, just paste in the link of that channel you copied on YouTube. Here you can select model. Let me explain these models on Claude. We have Oppose. Claude have Oppose 4.7. This one is quite very thorough, okay, with whatever you want to create, but the thing it consumes a lot of credit. Claude actually recommend you using the Sonnet 4.6, which is most effective for everyday tasks. So okay, here they have the fastest answer 4.5. Remember, Claude can use token, so the more higher model you select, the more token it will consume. So select Sonnet Pop 4.6. That's what I will leave it on. So after you've done that, you ask it to give me all details I need about this video. You just click on generate. Allow it to generate. Okay, if you are enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this amazing tutorial like this. Okay, so so you can see the details that Claude has given. It says that the title of the movie is God Already Told You How to Be Rich. You just didn't follow the steps. Okay, so this, unfortunately, YouTube doesn't. So this is what it gives. Okay, and it also gave me the link if in case if I want this timestamp of this video. He gave me number of views, category, people's and vlog. Okay, that's the category that this channel is under. Okay, and we have its duration of 15 minutes video. Okay, so this is the next prompt you put in, telling Claude that you want to create a video like this channel and you need a video title, description, tags, voiceover script, and visual style. Okay, visual style is very important. Remember, if you watch this video, if you go to the channel, you will notice that this channel have a kind of a watercolor kind of visual style. Okay, and that's what we should be aiming for. All right, so once you've done all of that, you've input this prompt, you click on generate. Claude will analyze that channel, analyze that video, and be able to create similar video title and description from what we've offered. Okay, you can do this for any kind of channel you want. Any channel you want, you can do this for any channel you want to actually clone. You want to create that kind of content. Claude will help you to analyze it and step by step. Now I have thorough picture for the niche. Okay, so you can see it's doing its own research. So God showed Solomon how to build wealth. This is the title that Claude has given to me. Most people are working, and this is the description that I will use it to post it on YouTube. Okay, how amazing is this? And this is the tags. I'm telling you, Claude does a lot of research. Seriously, you have prayed. Okay, this is now the voiceover script. Okay, one thing you will notice with the voiceover script is that it comes with timeline. Okay, timestamp. All right, so we'll still remove that. You can copy that and remove the timestamp if you want. So allow it. It takes time based on the model you've chosen. So this is the voiceover. This is the prompt. It's saying, oh, you can add music and all that. Another thing you will notice is that when you look at the voiceover, you can see that the visual styles is already generated under each paragraph. Okay, making it very easy when you are creating your images. So you already know where to line this. All you need to do now is to copy this prompt. What I asked Claude, I just asked her to write the voiceover in a text file for me and remove the headings. Okay, so it's generating that, and that will be ready for us to create. Okay, just to copy it and create our voiceover. But you can see it has done this thorough research on this particular channel, because this is the channel I want, and this is the tags. Okay, everything has been well detailed in such a way that it will be very easy for you to start creating your content. So as you can see, the voiceover is ready. All you need to do is just to copy it. Okay, if you want it a bit longer, just add Claude to extend it. Okay, once you copy it, we'll be using Canva.
Welcome to Learn with Cece. Get ready to discover, create, and grow.
To generate our content. Okay, we use Canva to create our voiceover, we use Canva to create our images and editing. All right, so go to canva.com, log into Canva. When you log into Canva, you will come to this interface of Canva. So this is Canva homepage. Okay, when you come here, you will see so many logos at the top here. Click on videos. So when you click on videos, it will open. Depend the aspect ratio you're going for this, I'm going for YouTube video, so you click on YouTube video. Okay, Canva will open that for you. It will open the interface. Remember, we want to create a voiceover first. Okay, we want to create voiceover first. So when you come on Canva, you can see add audio. Okay, here you have to scroll down on Canva. You will see something AI voice. Okay, tap on the AI voice. When you tap on it, or you can click on add audio here. If you click on add audio, you say AI voice. Okay, it's up to you what you want really. If that's what you want, okay, you will click on that, or you click on AI voice over. There are different options, different ways you can create your AI voices. Okay, on Canva. All right, so here let's use the AI voiceover. You can select the language you want. Okay, I'll be leaving it in English. Okay, you can select the voice you want. Okay, I'll be looking for a male voice. Okay, Brian. Okay, that's the one I will select. You can go ahead and just look out for the one, but I will select this one. You can preview the voice.
Hi, my
Okay,
name is...
yeah, so you can preview the voice and see that's what you want. If you want to increase the speed, you want it to go extra slow or medium, I'll just leave it on default. Okay, and this is where now you paste in your text. You can say Canva gives you limits on based on your plan. Okay, here it said I can paste only 2,000 characters. Okay, 2,000 characters. Once you've pasted in the prompt and you've done all the necessary settings you need here, you will click on generate voiceover. So it's generating. Just remember to please subscribe to the channel and leave comments down below. Okay, like and share. All right, so here the voiceover is ready. Once you generate, your voiceover is ready. Okay, then you have to go ahead and listen to it. So let's listen to the voiceover. You can play on this play button here and just listen to it. Okay,
You've prayed, you've worked, you've tried, but nothing seems to change.
so you can hear that.
What is-
Okay, so the voiceover is done. The next thing we have to do is to create our visuals. Remember, on Claude have already given us the visuals on each of the kind of paragraph. Okay, you can see this is the hook part of it. So this is the first image. You have to just go ahead and copy it. How do you create images on Canva? How you create image on Canva is that you need to open another Canva. Okay, you need to open another Canva and click on, you have to go down, or you go down, you can see AI. So you have to come back to Canva homepage and look for Canva AI. Okay, on the left hand side here you can see Canva AI. Tap on it, it will open another page, and this is Canva AI. With Canva AI you can use it to generate, design, create images, document, code, and also video clips. Okay, but here we'll be using it for images. So select images, and all you need to do now is to go to your Claude and copy your image visual prompts one after the other. Okay, once you come to your Canva, you paste it in. Okay, you paste it in. You have to select your aspect ratio. Remember, we are working on 16:9 aspect ratio. Okay, you select that, you paste in your prompt. Okay, and click on generate. You can also select styles. Okay, Canva gives style, but we don't want to touch that. Just leave it on what Claude has actually generated. Okay, so we click on generate. Wow, this is amazing. So you can see the images that Canva have created. So this is our first paragraph. Okay, and this is what Canva have created. All you need to do, Canva will give you various options, different. Okay, it's similar, but all you need is just to download each of them. Okay, as you creating, you download. Okay, or you can also do things like copy image, open your second, your other page where you are working. Okay, you can also come here and paste in the image you've. So go ahead and download the ones you like. If that's the ones you like, you go ahead and download the images. This is how you go ahead to actually create the images one after the other. So this is the second one. This is the second one. You go over to your Canva AI and also, paste in your prompts and click on generate. Remember to look out for your aspect ratio when you are generating. Okay, and allow Canva to generate your images for you. You can save two each, download them to your device. Okay, you can see that this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, this is beautiful. Go ahead and download to your device. Okay, go ahead and download to your device. So this is beautiful images. This is beautiful. So let's go back to Claude. We go to Claude and copy our third image. All right, copy the third one, come over, you paste it in for it to generate. Okay, instead of you using stock image, just use this, generate your own visuals. Okay, it makes things look different for you, and it's very quick to create. Okay, it's very quick to create on Canva. Remember, you're doing all work on Canva, so you can see that, you can see that, you can see that. Okay, go ahead and generate, like, save the ones you like. Canva will give you several options. okay, of images. We'll give you several options. I'll just download like 2 to each paragraph. So go ahead and download the images you like. Download the ones you like for your faceless content. Okay, then once you've downloaded all the images, all right, and you have to go back to the other page where you have the Canva editing, you have the voiceover on, you need to look out for upload. Okay, you click on upload to upload images from your device to so to upload all the images you download from Canva AI to your device. Okay, so select them and bring them into Canva. Once you've done that, you brought everything in. It's time now for you to look out for each of the paragraph and insert the appropriate visuals, okay, to it. This is the first one. All you need to do is just to drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop. You can make it always set it as background. Okay, that's what you will do. Just drag and drop on the timeline. Okay, that's all you will do. Very, very easy to actually use. Very easy. Okay, very, very easy. Very, very easy. So go ahead and just drag them, bring them in. So you just tap on them. Each of them, you can move things around on Canva editing. You can just move things around the way you want them. Remember to move this cursor. Okay, move things around the way you want them. Move them around. Okay, this is how you can use Claude to use. The thing is, you can use any AI tool of your choice, but Canva is another AI tool that you can use to get good quality images. Okay, so this is the content. Let's listen to it and watch that. Okay, remember you can add transition in between the videos if you want that. You add transition, design them, add text if you want, add caption if you want, just to make it the way you want. So let's watch it.
Prayed, you've worked, you've tried, but nothing seems to change. What if God showed?
Okay, so you add transition in between the text, you tap in between the images, you will see transition. Okay, if you want it circle, you want it this way, okay, you select the transition of your slide. Well, slide will be better. Okay, you can select slide and apply in between all scenes. So we do that, and let's watch it again and see how it slides in. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this tutorial. Okay, and also follow us, subscribe for more amazing tutorials.
You've prayed, you've worked
like this. Okay, let's listen.
You've tried, but nothing seems to change. What if God showed Solomon how to build wealth? Here's the blueprint he left for you. You've prayed, you've worked, you've tried, but nothing seems to change. What if the answer wasn't in a new strategy, but in a book that's been sitting on your shelf this entire time? God never promised you a comfortable life.
So you can see how smooth and how beautiful this faceless Bible story is. Okay, all right, thank you so much for watching.
You've prayed, you've worked, you've tried, but nothing seems to change. What if God showed Solomon how to build wealth? Here's the blueprint he left for you. You've prayed, you've worked, you've tried, but nothing seems to change. What if the answer wasn't in a new strategy, but in a book that's been sitting on your shelf this entire time? God never promised you a comfortable life. He promised you a purposeful one. And purpose always comes with provision. The problem isn't your faith. The problem is you were never taught the principles he already laid out. Proverbs chapter 10 verse 4 says, "Lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth." God isn't asking you to hustle yourself to death. He's asking you to be faithful with the work